Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6, and today I would like to show you how you can manage app notifications on this device. First of all, you need to access Settings. Now choose Apps and Notifications, scroll down and click on See All from last 7 days. Now you can click on Most Recent and select one of those options, like Most Frequent. Then click on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive notifications from, like Gmail, and as you can see after that, all notifications from Gmail are now blocked. If you wish to enable them, just choose the same switcher. But you can always just tap on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!